is from rapes committed by the German army in France. Sorry. Yep, so continue on that last slide. It's also the further genocide why rape becomes part of it, such as ending male legacies, and as we already talked about, HIV being part of a strategy, and that is from women and Rwanda's genocide, what goes unsaid. Why men saw soldiers raped during genocide. Peer pressure, they feel like they have to if their fellow soldiers and leadership is telling them to. That's from reframing sexual violence as a weapon and strategy of war. As well as we already discussed, dehumanization and hatred makes it easier for these people to commit rape during genocide, and that is from making sense of a rape photographed. Different times, different viewpoints. During these times, rape was viewed a lot differently in German law, unless you were physically hitting a woman and forcing her to have sex with you. It was not considered rape. So a lot of these Jewish women did not use force like that. So these German soldiers did not view it as rape. As well as Rwanda, there were different viewpoints about rape, and what they're doing they don't see as wrong, and that is from making sense of a rape photograph, and as well as unknown factors. After the fact, the people who do commit rape and genocide often are very secretive of it and shameful, and they don't come forward, and that's part of why we do not know more about rape and genocide, and that is also from making sense of a rape photograph. Rwanda rape data. I want to go over this because this is the only genocide rape data there is, and it's very little. Suitably, either 250,000 to 500,000 women were raped during those 3 months, as well as almost 1 million people murdered, with only 0.0% conviction rate of rapists. That's only 52 rapists who have been convicted of those almost 500,000 rapes. And this data is from Mass Rape and Genocide. And here is an HIV rate little chart that I made. It shows you that 66.7 rape victims came out HIV positive after the genocide ended. Some of them probably did have it beforehand, but it is estimated that a majority of them contracted the HIV through their rapes. And this is from rape in Rwanda's genocide, what goes unsaid. Why isn't there more data? Victims do not come forward due to lack of protection and shameful views of having been raped. That is through victimization by war or rape, as well as the ones who do the committing of the rape do not come forward. They view the actions afterward as shameful, and they withdraw from these memories. Often they don't remember how their rapes ended or anything like that. And that it's data from making sense of a rape photograph. What has been done, we have have done a lot more international laws and courts with genocide and rape, and ICTY did a lot of work regarding the genocide of Rwanda, which is really good. In 2001, they did their first rape conviction from that genocide, which is a big deal because, especially in African countries, it has never been done before regarding genocides. So there is stuff being done. And here are the discussion questions. I will also post these in little thread, but I thought I would also include them here. The first one would, why do you think genocide has been an important topic? The issue of genocide, rape has not been. Do you believe rapes committed during World War II should be discussed and taught in classroom setting wars? And what is your overall take learning about rape within genocide? Thank you so much for listening to me and my nervous ranting almost. I look forward to watching some of you guys' presentations more and answering your questions. Thank you so much.